I'm now going to play your part of the duet called The Grandfather Clock, which is on page 15. Now, your part just has semibreves. Those are the egg-shaped notes that each last 4 beats or 4 counts long. I'll just play your part first without the accompaniment. There's one bit that might catch you out. Towards the end, you go straight from D in the right hand to B in the left hand. So watch out for that. Okay, I'll just play your part first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now with the accompaniment, it'll sound like this. Notice that you hold each note for 4 beats, but the accompaniment plays on every beat. So the accompaniment sort of keeps the beat for you. So don't try and play on every beat like the accompaniment does. Anyway, have a listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in the next video I will just play the accompaniment so that you can play your part along with me as a duet.